Welcome to Edible Trails Garden, where we are building an abundant food forest using regenerative agroforestry practices. My name is Katrina, and today we are talking about stacking functions and how to design plants and a system that gives us multiple benefits at once. Think of it as multitasking, but for nature. In regenerative agroforestry, stacking functions really boils down to plant selection. You want plants that have more than one role. That is how we build systems that are productive, resilient, and support biodiversity. Take pigeon pea. It's not just a staple food crop. It fixes nitrogen, improving my soil. It creates shade, provides a windbreak. Besides the edible pods, this is a renewable source for mulch. And a perfect example of the power of the pigeon pea is right here with my double Mahoy banana plant. When I planted this as a little bitty baby pup, I put 2 pigeon peas in the hole with it. They both sprouted, grew up, provided amazing shade, a windbreak, and then I cut one back. When I did that, all of the nitrogen that was stored in the roots of this plant went into its surrounding area. And very quickly, I got a new banana pup. That is stacking functions. This guild has a little secret hidden beneath the cranberry hibiscus, the napier grass, and snuggled closely to my Panadol plant is a baby rainforest plum tree. Here, this young tree is thriving under the protection it's getting. These plants are shading it, softening the wind, covering the ground, and even hiding it from browsing animals. In comparison, I planted this Suriname cherry at the same time, but without the protection, it struggled. Unfortunately, the rabbits cleared out everything that was around it. That's the difference good support plants can make in agroforestry. When every plant in your system has multiple roles, you'll create a landscape that is stronger. You'll decrease your inputs, increase the diversity, and you'll create a living system that gets better year after year. That is the magic in agroforestry practices. Every part supports the whole. You'll get more value with less effort. And now it's your turn. Take a walk through your garden or food forest and ask yourself, what is this plant really doing? Can you serve another role? And share your favorite multi-purpose plant in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let's grow.